Today I'm going to tell you the difference between ordinary thief and a political thief. Unfortunately, we are facing both in current era. I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. The ordinary thief steals your money, your car, bicycle, your bag, your watch, your jewelry, isn't it correct? But political thief steals our future, your career, your progress, your education, your health, your business, and most important, steals your dreams. The most hilarious thing is the ordinary thief will think how to rob us, but we are the one who choose a political thief to rob us. We choose them, we vote them. We blindly say that we are not blind. Who is deceiving who? The ridiculous part is we fight to defend and protect our belongings from the ordinary thief. Don't we do this? But we fight with each other to defend and protect our political thief. We are protecting those who are stealing our dreams, our careers, jobs, our happiness, our success. Shame on us. We must think who is deceiving who and think deeply. Thank you very much for watching.